Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel here, and I want to go through this unboxing of a compact flash express card reader that I bought for my Mac Mini M4 is what I'm running to use to edit my photos with Lightroom Classic and Photoshop as needed. But I wanted to show you guys this. The reason why I bought it is mostly because it is a USB 4 or Thunderbolt 4 connection or USB-C, but it's running at 40 gigabits per second transfer rate. So that's why I bought this, is it's supposedly super fast. But I'm here to just unbox it for the time being. And I want to kind of show you to see how the size of it. It only does compact flash express. It does not do SD. I do have another adapter that can run the SD, but the SD in my camera is set up to be the backup. So this is the Sabrent USB4 compact flash express card reader. Let's get into it, okay? So basically, it's simple packaging here. Again, the reason I bought this is because I wanted something that was super fast to transfer the photos from the camera to my laptop or my Mac Mini M4 at home. So it looks like there's a USB-C, hopefully rated for Thunderbolt 4 connection, so we can take advantage of the fast speed of transfer there. Just a little help information card if you need to. And here it is. I was really worried that it might have been a little too big, and I want to try to make my life simpler when I travel and do photography. I don't want to be bringing a whole bunch of stuff. To be honest, I would wish I didn't have to bring one of these at all. But let's take a look at it. There it is. There's the entry point. There's a nice silicone shell to it. Feels nice and slick and smooth. Good USB-C or Thunderbolt 4 connection there. Got the Sabrent logo there, but man, I love the silicone feel to it. Looks like you can kind of take it out. It may trap heat in case this thing does heat up. I'm a little bit worried that maybe it might get a little too hot with this protective casing, but it looks like you kind of can just take it out of here if you needed to. Maybe you're at home and you don't need this and you need the air to cool it. That's a cool, their logo there. And then basically you plug it in here, plug this into your computer, and you're all up and running. So I just wanted to show you this. This is basically, it's about 3.5 inches wide, and about maybe 1.5 inches, almost 2 inches tall here. So definitely some compactness, which is what I want, especially when I do travel photography. And it's not too heavy. It maybe feels like a 1/4 pound or something like that, but definitely has some weight to it because I think the shell is aluminum. But I'm going to keep it in here for now, and I'll run some tests on it to see if it heats up, and I'll report back to you guys with any updates that I may have. Hopefully I can do some transfer speeds and see if it's truly running at 40 gigabytes per second. But stay tuned for that. Pretty nice. I highly recommend it. Definitely put the link in the description below in case you wanted more information about it. Also, if you didn't mind and you like my type of content, please like and subscribe. I would appreciate it very, very much. I am trying to grow my channel, and any followers are much helpful. And if you have any questions, please leave me a comment. I'd be happy to get back to you. And until the next time, guys, thanks for joining me on my journey so far. Take care.